The inspiration was, I actually wanted to do this ever since we graduated high school. It's the whole reason that I went for engineering way back in 2001. Just, we didn't have the time and money to do it then. I don't even know why we chose the name. It just happened one day, and then we just rolled with it. I think me and my two brothers came up with it one day.
The business? I'm saying about $100,000. There's always PMs to be done. You have to make sure they hold proper tolerances. So we have test bars and QC equipment to validate the accuracy of the machines.
The designs are made, mostly we get prints from a customer and or an idea from a customer. It depends on if they want a problem solved or a part made. Sometimes a customer just wants something produced and they already have a product and a print that they just want made. Other times they want something solved. They have something that they need to be, they have a problem that they need solved, and they come to us and they say, this is what we need to work. And we'll go back and forth with them. It took us almost a year and a half of back and forth design, and there's an entire box of failures that we have of designs after testing time and time again, because we had no print to go by. We just had a steering column of a vehicle. We had to scan and then fit and go back and forth, and that was the fun part. Failing was the fun part.